Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. This is Deb with Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More, and I have the best bead box from Potomac Beads. Took a little while to get here. I got it yesterday, which was Monday the 14th, Flag Day. Anyway, let me just open it and let's see what we got. Hawaiian Tropics. Funny thing is, I didn't get a notice this was going to ship, and I thought maybe they forgot me this month, and then all of a sudden it showed up. So, aloha! Escape from the chaos of every day and find solace in a much-needed break from the hustle with this month's Hawaiian Tropics Best Bead Box. During your sojourn to Island Time, find artistic inspiration in watching sleek, silvery dolphins frolicking in the surf. Wonder if that means we get dolphin charms or something, while being hugged by lush verdant greens and the smells of pink hibiscus flowers. That sounds interesting. So relax on your personal Hawaiian island with this month's best bead box and discover new beauty, creativity, and adventure. And then on the back it tells you what's in the Hawaiian Tropics necklace pattern, and then these are the beads for your stash, so I'll keep that close by. Ooh, I like that one. I like the pinks and greens together. And it almost looks like an illusion necklace, but I don't think it is. I think it's actually seed beads. Really pretty. I'm looking forward to making that at some point. And speaking of that, I have a whole stack of these boxes, and I've only gotten to partially make one of them. So this is I had signed up for a 6-month subscription, plus I had gotten some Best Bead Box XL before that, and I love them. However, I'm taking a break from them because I need to start using them before I get any more. So let's see, this will be the kit part for the Hawaiian, what are they calling it? Hawaiian Tropics necklace. Let's see what we have here. A pewter end cone, just one, 28, which is the length, by 10 millimeter. Now see, I have some oddball cones, so this might give me, you know, idea for future use. My Yuki seed beads. Nope. Well, I guess it says Potomac Beads, Doricoats, oh, my Yuki seed bead, MSB. Doricoat silver line dyed lilac, very pretty. I'm not going to take them out of the bag. Very pretty. Okay, then we have, and they're in a 8-aught. Check glass maple leaf beads. And I love my leaves. Olive green, gold. Olive green with a gold finish. Come on, there we go. They're pretty. I don't know that I have that color. Now let me see, do these have the holes that go top to bottom, which I like. A lot of them have the top drilled, which are okay and have their purpose, but yeah. Okay, then we have metallic, I'm sorry, not metallic, 2 grams Potomac crystal rounds. This says rounds. Here we go. 3 millimeter, and it says 2 grams on the thing. I guess that must be 2 grams. Anyway, they look to be like a dark, sort of a dark garnet or purple AB or something. It doesn't tell you the color, does it? Oh yeah, garnet AB. Sorry. And there we go. Very sparkly. Woohoo! Yeah, really pretty. So I'll probably regret canceling from getting a pattern standpoint, but until I get caught up, I just can't. I'm sorry. And then we have 10 grams check glass melon beads in 8mm in rose opal matted rose wash. These are super pretty. And there's about, so 10 grams is about 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, about 17 of them it looks like, if I counted right. 16 or 17, something like that. Maybe 18, I don't know. Really pretty. Alright, and then 7-inch strand gemstone round beads, 6mm, and the gemstone is nephrite jade, or nephrite, and they're green, so they'll go with the leaves. I'm really liking the color combo. I wouldn't think to put it together. And this is check flower cap mix. The combination of two numbers, 51063 and 51068, 7mm, and 5 grams. I don't know how many these are. These are cute. They're like bead caps, but they're shaped like little flowers. I have some, but I don't have many of those. I have a lot of bell flowers, but not so many of the bead caps. And then lastly, they have wire now. So this is 15 feet of Potomac Jewelers wire, 24 gauge, and it's in a silver. And here's their little card all about it. You get to be the first because you're a subscriber. You get to try out the new Potomac Jewelers wire before anyone else. How lucky are you? Yay. Let's see, it comes in all your favorite gauges. Is 99% fine silver coated copper that gives you the flexibility and strength you need at the highest quality. Plus, it's made in the USA. And this is, I guess, a picture of one. It's 24 gauge silver, dead soft round wire. I'm actually, and it's coated 99% fine silver coated copper. I think I saw a video on YouTube from Allie Buchanan of Potomac Beads showcasing this. They have like a Better Beater series, and it does have this plastic thing on. I think it has a non-tarnish coating on it too, like Artistic Wire does, you know, and others. So yeah, and you know what? I don't have much in 24 gauge, so I'm sure we'd probably use most of it up in this necklace. But I'm looking forward to this. So that is the Hawaiian Tropics necklace part of the kit. Let me put this back in the bag here. And then we'll move on to the extras for your stash. I'm actually really looking forward to making this one. And last month I really liked too. So yay. Something different. I do like wire working too. Alright, so beads for our stash. Alright, so we have check glass. Nope, that's not it. Ooh, has some interesting things in here this time. Oh, is this it? Yeah. Check daisy beads metallic mix. So these are like your daisy spacers in metals, only they're check glass, and they're in like a bronze, champagne color, and there's a purple and a blue. There's not too many other iris colors mixed in here, but that's okay. And there's a copper, a couple coppers, sort of gold or bronze, champagne-y color, and then just two, like a blue and a purple iris in mine. It's 5mm of 3 grams of those. Pewter lobster clasp. Here it is. Okay. Ooh, it's a nice big one. Dotted heart silver, 14 by 27mm. This would be nice for like a purse charm or something. Keychain charm. Very pretty. Very pretty. And then we have a glass cabochon. Now they've given us the before, but this one's bigger, 25 millimeter, and it's tropical. It kind of goes with the pinks and things. We got some tropical plants here. About is the only way I can grow them. That would be more, in my opinion, for beading around. It's okay. I like the other pictures on the ones we got before better. Okay, 10 2-hole halo beads. That must be these. Is that these? Nope. Nope. Alright. Okay, is that these? Okay, halo beads. 2-hole antique silver. Huh, I was looking for like glass beads, but these are like a metal. And the 2-hole, okay, yep. 2-hole, so they're almost like a bead frame with the holes going through them. When I first saw these, I thought they were like spacer beads for, you could probably use them like that for large leather, you know, like a 4 or 6 millimeter leather cording. And then you have holes in there, so you could put wire through or beading thread through and dangle something. So we'll have to play with those and see. Something I don't have. They're called halo beads, 6.5 by 3.5 millimeter, 6.5 by 3.5 millimeter, 10 pack. Cool. All right, check table cut sunflower beads. I have bought these, but not in this color, and I love these. 12 millimeter. There's 4 of them, and these are like a red with, I don't know if it's Picasso or travertine finish. I don't know if you can see that on them. Okay, and then 4 Ava beads. Okay, Ava beads, crystal vitriol, 10 by 4 millimeter. And these are like a triangle. They have the hole going through the sides, top and bottom. So you can put them like this, so they look green on that side, and then they're sort of clear on that side. They're interesting, yeah, so that you can put thread through this way and thread through this way, and you could put a bead in the middle. Actually, I got 5 of them. I'm supposed to get 4. Oh well. Okay, then we have 3 grams disc duo beads. That's these. Hibiscus disc duo mix. So there's pinks and purples and greens and coppers, and some have AB finish on them. They're pretty. That's a pretty mix. Sort of goes with the pinks and greens in our other kit. But these are disc duo, so they have 2 holes going through the sides. They're pretty. It says, visit the best bead box inspiration for Hawaiian tropics, box inspiration, and a list of colors. Ah, that's cool. I didn't know they did that. Okay, and then pewter bead caps. I don't remember getting bead caps in this before. 7 millimeter, 2.5 grams of them. And they're like a dotted, they almost look like a sea, like they could be good for a sea theme, and I may use them for that, actually. And 2.5 grams gets you 4, 5, 5, 10, about 11. I got 11. I don't know if you can, they're like a dotted, this camera, dotted. Oh, I got 12. There's one in the bag still. So I got 12. So 2.5 grams of those gets you 12, and they're 7mm. 91085. I like getting those. Thank you. And then we have 4 grams Super Duo beads. These are 2.5 by 5mm. I love Super Duos. They're probably my favorite 2-hole bead. And these are in a silver crystal full Labrador, which is basically full means it's covered on both sides. And I guess Labrador means silver in Czech because that's the color it is. Shiny silver. Can always use those for different things. And you get a good many of them. You would have to be mixed with others for a Super Duo project. Or maybe earrings or something. I don't know. And then the last thing is waxed cotton chain cords in black. 18 to 20 inch. So it's already a necklace. It's probably about a 1mm. Does it say? It just says 18 to 20 inch 50C waxed cotton cord necklace. Interesting. So it already has the leather cord ends on. It's a dainty necklace, and you can just put whatever you want on it, which either has to be able to fit over this piece, or you can use jump rings or something and put something on the end. So that's really nice too. I enjoy getting that. Okay, so that is the best bead box for June, and my final one. Like I said, it was going to renew for 6 months, but I don't have room to keep 6 more boxes without using them, and I haven't taken the extras out and put them anywhere, so yeah, I need to get busy using them. I also have a couple grab bags I've only used a few things out of from them, so I need to use more of that. And yeah, I like it. I like this necklace this time. And the designer is Allie Buchanan. Flower, yeah, the flower caps are pretty cool. And it looks like chain dangles, which I love doing. Melon beads, leaves, this is right up my alley. So, all right, everybody, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I will be back again with another small haul, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.